Baltimore County in northern Maryland until 3 p.m. And to 12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located